Alright, welcome sa bago na naman nating episode. And for today's video, so we're about to unbox this camping mess tin, or this is the Hango Combat Rice Cooker Type 2. So para siyang mga Bondok, Evernew, Rocho na Hango na Japanese na mess kit. So let's see, what do we have here. So it's just a plain packaging na nakalagay ay camping mess tin. Ang capacity nito ay 1 liter. Meron siyang tatlong pieces, and let's find out what's inside. So open the box. We've just got our Hango, or yung ating mess tin. So it's an aluminum mess kit na meron siyang bail dito, o yung ating hawakan, na meron siyang locking mechanism na ito, na pag nakasagad na siya ng ganyan, ayan, safe na siya. So nakalock siya pag nasagad niya yung itong pinaka sagad na ano ng handle. So meron siyang locking mechanism dyan, and then para ma-unlock siya, ayun, paluluwagan lang natin ng ganun. Tapos ito yung kanyang pieces. Meron siyang lid. Yung lid niya pwedeng mag-serve as a frying pan. So yung history pala why I've got this cook set, or itong Hango Type 2, is I've been looking for a all-in-one na cook system, and Sir Jello was able to share this, and I like what this mess or cook set can do. So this is the middle pan or layer. This will act as a steaming pan, or it could be a container na pwedeng lagyan ng soup, but basically this one, dito tayo magkukok ng rice. And the difference between doon sa other na mga brands, I've got one, and I think that's a Taiwanese brand of Hango na Japanese na rice cooker, is yung kanilang middle tray, wala silang ganito. Wala silang parang yung steaming na ganito. Ayan, no? And then some other, like yung Billy Pot, wala silang, hindi rin pang steam yung kanilang middle pan or layer. And then this one, yung pinaka base niya, which is 1 liter, you can cook yung soup or anything here. But what I want to try is, I think in order, first I'm gonna cook yung rice. Yan, syempre may takip. And then after that, after cooking yung rice, set aside, I can use my Trendy pan lifter to lift this, and then I can cook a soup or a stew or anything na ulam, and then I can also fry using this lid. So just to give you yung size, ito yung ball pen, just to compare. This is actually not really small, but not too big, and I love it. So ang ano ko lang po dito, since that this is a knock-off version, so I'm expecting not really expecting too much, but it would be much better if meron siyang bag or anything na lalagyan. But madali na yun. I have a lot of drawstring bags, a spare one. All right, just to give you measurement, this one is 7 inches at least yung kanyang lid, yung parang yung pinakahaba niya. Then yung lapad is around 4.5 inches. Yung kanyang depth, yung lalim is almost 2 inches. So very good, I think. Not only frying, but if you're going to cook your outdoor meal or your favorite camping meal, not only for frying but other meal that you'll prepare. So this one is around 7 inches again. I think the same, 4 inches, and then yung kanyang ano is 3 inches naman. And then the middle layer is again 7 inches, 4, kano siya ano, almost 2, 1.5 po yung ano niya, itong middle layer. So again, assemble it, that one, ayan, ang ganda, grabe, knockoff version. So I don't have any like Evernew or Rocho or other light brand like this combat Hango Type 2, but I think this one will do the job. All right, thank you for watching, and if you like our video, so please don't forget to subscribe, and please watch out for our next video, because on our next video we'll be trying to cook something on this mess kit, so we'll be trying it out. All right, thank you for watching.